Here in the club, I am Sushant Mehta. Let's begin with the latest on the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe.
Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti was grilled by the ED for the second time in the late actor's money trail probe. The ED is interrogating charges of 15 crore rupees theft filed by late Sushant Singh Rajput's family against Rhea Chakrabarti. Rhea was asked details of her investment in the last 2 years. She was also asked to provide supporting documents regarding the expenses incurred from Sushant's account and sudden cash flow in 2 accounts. Besides Rhea, her father Indrajit Chakrabarti was also questioned by the probe agency. Her brother Shovik has also been summoned for the 3rd time today. Shovik was interrogated for 18 hours on Saturday and 2 hours on Friday. Sushant's business manager Shruti Modi was also questioned for the 2nd time. Meanwhile, the probe in Sushant's untimely demise is getting murkier as Sushant Singh Rajput's cousin, who's also BJP leader, will file a defamation case against Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, saying that Raut's statement is condemnable. Raut had said that Sushant's father married twice, which wasn't accepted to Sushant.
जिस तरह का वो एक फुहर वाला बयान दे रहे हैं, एक संवेदनशील मैटर में एक फुहरपनी कर रहे हैं, राज्यसभा सांसद हैं, एक अखबार की एडिटर हैं, और इस तरह का हल्का बयान उनको कम से कम नहीं देना चाहिए, उनको तो शर्म आना चाहिए और उनको माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। इतना माने आघात पहुंचाने वाला बयान, जहां करोड़ों फैंस उनको सराह रहे हैं, उनके पिताजी को, एक बुजुर्ग आदमी पर इस तरह का माने शर्मनाक आरोप लगाना, ये काफ़ी निंदनीय है और जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं मानहानि का मुकदमा करूंगा संजय राउत जी पर।
Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Now, many questions are being raised about Rhea Chakrabarti and her role. Was she blackmailing Sushant Singh Rajput? Did she take money from the actor's account? And where is she now?
Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput's love story came under the spotlight in May 2019, after both of them were often spotted with each other. While the couple kept their relationship hush-hush, their photographs from the Ladakh trip in June 2019 added fuel to fire. The couple was spotted together multiple times at different locations. The duo celebrated each other's birthday with a lot of grandeur, and Rhea on Sushant's birthday on 21st January took to Instagram and almost making their relationship official by sharing a photograph. Post that, in 2019 August, rumours started doing the rounds. The couple had decided to take the wedding plunge and would tie the knot soon. However, there was no official confirmation.
Now, are you in a relationship?
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं.
Oh, you're single?
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Liar?
According to media reports, Sushant Singh Rajput left his old house post-Diwali, moving in with Rhea Chakrabarti at her residence. Later, the actor shifted to his Bandra home. During their October 2019 Europe trip, Sushant and Rhea travelled across France and Italy. But on 14th June 2020, everything changed. Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his rented apartment in Mumbai's Bandra. The news sending shockwaves across the country. On 14th July, exactly a month later since Sushant Singh's death, actress Rhea Chakrabarti opened up finally about the bond she had shared with the actor for the first time. She wrote, "Still struggling to face my emotions and irreparable numbness in my heart." 2 days later, on 16th July, actor Rhea posted messages on Twitter, Instagram asking Home Minister Amit Shah to launch a CBI probe into the death of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Her legal team shared a photograph of a page from the deceased actor's diary claiming that this was the only property that Rhea has possessed. The note read, "I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for Lily in my life. I'm grateful for Bebo in my life. I'm grateful for Sir. I'm grateful for Ma'am. I'm grateful for Fudge in my life. I'm grateful for all the love in my life." Rhea later explained that the diary entry was for her and her family that included her mother and the father. While the legal team of Rhea Chakrabarti presented Sushant's note on gratitude for Rhea's family as evidence, which proved Rajput was close to Rhea and her entire family, the late actor's family lawyer said completely otherwise. That the note further strengthened the family's case, as it has proven Sushant Singh was completely cut off from his own family by Rhea, and as her and her family took complete control of Sushant Singh Rajput's life. Bureau Report, India Today.
As probe in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case widens, the fight between Sushant's family and his girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti is getting nastier. The two camps are releasing purported evidence in support of their claims. Rhea's legal team on Saturday released a note they claim was written by the actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The note shows Sushant expressing gratitude for having Rhea's family as a part of his life. The note reads, "I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for Lilu in my life. I'm grateful for Bebu in my life. I'm grateful for Sir in my life. I'm grateful for Ma'am in my life. I am grateful for Fudge in my life. I'm grateful for all the love in my life." Rhea's camp claims Lilu here refers to Rhea's brother Shawik. Bebu here refers to Rhea Chakrabarti, while Sir and Ma'am are Rhea's father and mother. Fudge is Sushant's dog. Rhea also released her WhatsApp chat with Sushant, where the actor seems to be worried about his sister's behavior towards Rhea, which he describes as shameful. Sushant in the chat fears his sister was manipulating Siddharth Pithani. India Today spoke exclusively to Sushant's family's counsel after Rhea made the WhatsApp chats public. The lawyer claimed Rhea allegedly made Sushant believe that his sister molested her during one of the early meetings, but Sushant later realized that he was being manipulated by Rhea. Sushant's family also put out a March 25th Instagram post by the late actor about his sister and his brother-in-law. Rhea, on the other hand, shared an image of a sipper, claiming that it was the only belonging of Sushant that she possesses, as against claims made by Sushant's family of Rhea taking away cash, jewelry and credit cards. The evidence war suggests Sushant Singh Rajput torn between his lover and family during the last year or so.
In its affidavit before the Apex Court, Sushant Singh Rajput's family mounting a scathing criticism of the Mumbai police inquest so far, calling it an eyewash and questioning how Rhea Chakrabarti was given access to emails sent by key witnesses Siddharth Pithani before she was even questioned. They've also argued that it is the CBI which is investigating now, and Rhea Chakrabarti herself had in fact called for a CBI inquiry in her social media post. On the other hand, the Maharashtra police has given its inquiry report in a sealed cover to the court and has argued that neither Bihar nor the CBI have any jurisdiction. With the court set to hear the matter on Tuesday, the jurisdiction issue is likely to be the most important argument. In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Singing, laughing and partying with friends. Who knew that these would become the last few moments of Disha Salian? India Today accessed the video of that fateful night of June 8th. Sushant's ex-manager Disha can be seen partying with a few close friends. no big celebs, and no ministers as alleged by some politicians. Just close friends Resha Padwal, Indranil Vaidya, and her fiancé Rohan Roy.
दिशा का 26 तारीख को बर्थडे था और उसका भाई मानती है वो इंद्रनील करके, उसका 25 को बर्थडे। तो वो लोग ने भी बोला हम भी आएंगे, साथ में मिलके थोड़ा गेट टुगेदर करेंगे। उतना ही करके वो लोग सेलिब्रेट किया और पार्टी नहीं थी, यही खाली 6 लोग थे।
India Today also spoke to Disha's close friends who revealed the truth of Zone 8. One of them claims that during the party she got emotional after drinking and locked herself in a room. Later, when her friends knocked the door, she did not answer. Her college friends broke the door, but Disha was not in the room. Her friends found Disha on the ground floor and rushed her to the hospital. 3 hospitals refused to admit her and 4th one declared her brought dead. While the mystery around how Disha fell from 14th floor of her Malad apartment continues, her parents made an appeal. Do not spread rumors about their daughter on social media.
मीडिया में चल रहा है, यूट्यूब में कुछ भी सोशल मीडिया में चल रहा है, सब कुछ झूठ है। इसमें कुछ भी सच नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरी बच्ची तो हमने तो हमारे बच्चे को खोया। ये लोग का वजह से ये लोग हमें मार रहे हैं। इसके लिए सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, ये सब बंद करवा दें। सुप्रीम कोर्ट से भी मैं बोलती हूँ, ये सब बंद करवा दीजिए।
Mumbai police have so far denied any links between Disha and Sushant's death. However, Sushant was disturbed due to Disha's death as his name was being linked to her. With Saurabh Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, it's time for a short break, but there's lots more coming up, so stay tuned to In the Club.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.